Welcome to Agua Fria Ranch. Today we're going to show you this move-in ready 4-bedroom, 2-bath home that's over 1,700 square feet with a pool. It's one of the largest lots in the entire neighborhood. Let's go in and check out this immaculate home. As you can see, this house is move-in ready. This kitchen is beautiful. Upgraded maple cabinets, beautiful counters, sinks, appliances, total package. All bedrooms feature brand new plush carpet. You have a huge master suite with a large bay window overlooking the sparkling blue pool. Thank you guys for joining us on this tour of this beautiful home in Agua Fria Ranch. It's one of the largest lots in the neighborhood, extended 2-car garage, huge driveway, corner lot. There's nothing better in the entire community. If you guys would like to schedule a private showing, reach out to us today.